Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Intent mobile app is, how it works as a meal planner, and whether it's a reliable choice for managing nutrition and health goals. Intent is a meal planning app available on iOS and Android that helps users create personalized meal plans based on dietary preferences, health goals, and fitness routines. It offers tailored recipes, weekly planning tools, and built-in grocery lists that simplify the entire food preparation process. Users can set preferences like vegan, low-carb, or high-protein, and the app suggests meals that match those settings. One major strength of Intent is how it integrates macro tracking directly into the meal suggestions, so you can monitor calories, protein, carbs, and fats without needing a separate nutrition tracker. The app updates your plan automatically if you skip meals or swap ingredients, which adds a layer of flexibility that many users find useful. However, there are downsides. While the app is free to download, many features including advanced planning and tracking tools are locked behind a premium subscription. The accuracy of some nutritional information may vary slightly between brands, and not all ingredients or substitutions are supported. Also, customization is somewhat limited if you have more complex dietary needs. Intent is a practical tool for users looking to follow a structured meal plan without overcomplicating the process. It blends simplicity with goal-oriented functionality and works best for those with standard nutrition goals. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.